Hey you guys, welcome back. Here I am, bare skin. I just washed my face. Now I'm gonna put hand sanitizer just to make sure my hands are extra clean. And then I'm gonna go ahead and LOL, that's me washing away the germs. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my D'Alba face serum spray. I love this thing. I'm almost done. I have to do a 2023 favorites because this was definitely one of them. I love it. It makes my face feel so moisturized. Then I'm gonna use my little fan. Let me tell you, I love this little fan from Marshall's. Okay, it was $7 and it just does everything it needs to do. Okay, there's 3 settings and I love that thing. Okay, let me see. It looks like I'm reaching for something. LOL. Oh, hello, up close and personal. Okay, then I'm gonna use the Peter Thomas Roth water cream, and I love this. It is so good. As you can see, after I put it on, my skin is gonna look so nice and smooth. Like, I love this thing. I just finished the Laneige one, but to be honest, I think this one is a little bit better for my skin, just because my skin is really dry and it's winter time, so I think this one is it for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that everywhere. Moisturize, because we don't want no cakey and no dry skin over here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on primer. So for the primer today, LOL, not me doing an ASMR. The primer I used today was the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer. You're gonna see me fan my face for a second, but I realized that I went a little bit too ham on the primer. I should have only put it on the high points of my face because it was very shiny and very glittery. I mean, I guess it worked out in my favor because everything else beside my eyeshadow I try to keep matte. But yeah, I put way too much. LOL, don't come for me. I'm not no freaking Makeup by Mario. I just really wanted to do a glam because I haven't done a glam in so long, and I was about to head out for the gym, so I was like, let me just record this really quick. So yeah, as you can see, it's very nice. I literally put that everywhere. Should I have done that? Probably not, but it's okay. You live and you learn. Here I am wiping off the excess with a little wipe, and then I'm gonna go into brows. So I use a spoolie, the Got2b glue in a tiny tube. I love the little mini tube, and then the Essence clear lash and brow gel. I love that thing. So yeah, so I did my little fluffy brows, and then over here I went ahead and did my concealer and my contour. Like, I kind of like underpaint, so I did concealer, contour. I used the Incognito from Wet n Wild and the Sephora collection one. I love those, they're so good. Then I'm using this brush to like blend it out. Just trust the process at this point. I mean, yeah, here I am again. And like I said, we're just gonna trust the process and keep blending. You literally want to blend to the point where you can't blend anymore. The key is just blending, because I put a lot of product. I realized that I put way more product than what I really needed, but in the end it turned out okay. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution blush. I love this blush. I'm trying to see what color it is, but it was upside down. I think it's called Dolly Rose, and it was so pretty. Like, look at that. Watch. I love liquid blush. Like, I am such a blush girly, it's not even funny. But yeah, so I put a little bit, I think way more than what I really truly needed, but here we are anyways. Makeup is whatever you want it to be. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this little Bobbi Brown brush to blend it out. So keep blending. Like I said, blend. Look, watch. Wow, I really love makeup. Look at that. Look at that skin, girl, that blend. I really love that blush, and it's so underrated. I have never heard any influencer talk about it. Maybe they have, but on my For You page and everything else, I haven't heard anybody talk about it. So yeah, so we're just gonna blend away. Keep blending. I put some on my nose, because why not? I hate when the face looks like flat. Like, I need some dimension, you know? So we're gonna keep blending. Blend. Okay, blending queen. Then we're gonna look down. I think I'm gonna grab my powder blush now. Yes, so I'm gonna go back in with the ColourPop. I love this blush. It's called Prairie Air. I could be saying that wrong, sorry. But look at that. Oh, we're gonna set that blush. And then after I set my blush, I'm gonna go in with translucent powder. You'll see, but I'm just curious, is that like the correct step? Like, is there any correct order to apply makeup? Or like, I know a lot of people do their eyeshadow first and then their face, or vice versa, so I'm just wondering like if there's a proper way to do it. Please remember that I did not go to school for this, and I am not no professional. I was just wanting to make myself look a little bit more fancier and prettier, so I did my makeup. But yeah, here I'm going in with the KVD Beauty translucent powder. I love this thing. I personally prefer a really bright under eye. I don't know if people bake anymore, but I be baking with my little powder puff, so I really like this. This is very important to me. And then I'm gonna go in and spray with my Morphe setting spray. I love this thing. Like, I literally need a new bottle. I have to do a favorites video because I have a lot of good stuff that I used this year, or this last year, not this year. But yeah, we're gonna set that in. Once again, this little fan, I'm telling you, if you don't have a little small fan, you need a small fan because it's so helpful, especially when you do lashes. I love it. Okay, so then I'm taking this Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Toasty, and I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow. I always use this as eyeshadow. I just think the brown is so nice. I love it. So I'm gonna go in and use it as eyeshadow again. And like I said, the key here is to just blend. Blend, 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 blend. Also, I love this brush. I think it's from NYX, and it's like, I've had it for years, and I just think it's so fluffy and perfect. Like, I just really love it, and I really hope they don't discontinue it because Homegirl needs a new one. I think I've had that since like 8th grade. Yes, I wash my makeup brushes. I actually have to wash them again. But yeah, we're just gonna blend. There's literally no rhyme or reason to this. I just keep blending and blending until I'm content. Oh, and then we're gonna blend on the nose too. Yeah, I went over my nose contour with this. So we're gonna keep going and going and going. Okay, after I blended for like 10 minutes, I'm gonna go in with this new Hello Kitty palette. It's so cute. It's from Halloween and I never used it. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use that color Enchanted in some of the cool brown tones in there too. But I love that color. I thought it was so pretty. So I'm just gonna sweep the two browns on my lid. And then I'm gonna go back in with like a smaller, more condensed brush. I don't know the correct terminology. Once again, I am in no way, shape, or form a licensed makeup artist, so take what I'm doing with a grain of salt. I just think it looks good for my face, so I'm just going to keep doing it. So yeah, I'm going to take that sparkly shade with my finger, and I'm just going to pat it on my eyelid, and then I'm going to realize that it might be better if I do it with a brush, because it might be more pigmented. So yeah, that was me approving of that color. I loved it. I literally thought it was perfect. So yeah, guys, keep doing that. Here I am grabbing my little brush, and then I'm gonna go back in and do my shadow. Okay, boom. And then here I am all done with the shadow. Then I'm gonna use this NYX eyebrow pencil in ash brown. I don't use it for my eyebrow. I use it to outline my lips. And I know you're not supposed to, but it's the only brown that I like that doesn't make my lips look pink, because my lips are already kind of pinky. And I hate when I buy nude like lip liners and they pull more towards like this like pink warm side. So I really like this because it's giving fake lip filler. Like, I just got my lips done. So yep, stamp of approval. Then I'm gonna go in. I didn't want to do lashes. I liked how my face looked. So I'm just gonna go in with the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And we're gonna put that girl on. So here I am again. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Jason Wu. I actually got this from Target, and I really like this brand. I love this lipstick. It's in the shade Biscotti. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lips. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with one of the NYX soft creams in a lighter color. You'll see it. I don't recall the name, but it's also one of my favorites. I've had it for years. Yep, it's like the perfect nude, like matte nude. Because yes, I wanted my skin to have like this underneath glow, but I didn't want it to glow like to like a grease ball, you know? So we did that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my favorites. It's the NYX like glitter, like eyeshadow glitter. And I love this thing. I literally take a little brush. You're gonna see me look for the little brush. A small little brush, and then I get whatever is on the top part. Like, you don't really need to dip it on the lid or anything, because there's so many, and it's so beautiful, like in pictures. I don't know if you could see it in the video, but I don't like to put a lot. I just lightly put some on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and it just looks so cute. I love glitter. I am a certified glitter enthusiast, so please, by all means, glitter everywhere. Alrighty, y'all, and then I went back in with the Morphe setting spray, but here is the final glam. I loved it. Like, it looks so simple, but I feel like it ate, so I really love this. So I definitely want to do more Valentine's Day looks, so let me know what you guys want to see. Thanks, baddies. Bye-bye.